who will tell me what is ETL? Come on, guys.
Extract transfer load.
Okay, extract, transform, load. So can you please explain in one line, like what is extraction?
Extraction means we connect into different databases, and transfer means we transfer the data, which means clean the data according to requirement.
Okay, so in Power BI, which are two features are available?
Big data, like Power BI desktop. From there, we used to get the data, and we used to clean the data through Power Query editor.
Okay, thank you. Anyone else likes to give it a shot?
ETL, ELT.
Someone is trying to explain, or like I'm getting some background noise. Brijesh, you are trying to say something?
Yeah, I just said like it's ETL, extract, transform, and load. Once we extract data from any databases,
Okay.
it calls extraction, transformation, and loading.
Okay, so Brijesh, can you tell me like what are the two types of ETL processes available through Power BI that we can achieve?
First is ETL, then second is ELT. We can directly extract data and load.
So basically in our course, we will be covering all these three. These are related to Power Platform. Got it, guys? So any other doubt that you guys have in the previous class? Guys, say yes or no so that we can get started with the content. I'm waiting. Okay. Okay. Then let's go ahead. So
Indrajit.
yes. Who's this?
Yeah, it's me, Chan. Okay, Chan Arif. I
Yeah.
mean, what is the difference between these all tools which you have mentioned, the 5 tools here, right? The Azure Data Factory.
Yes,
Can you
yes,
tell
yes.
me the difference?
So, okay. Yeah, Chan, I got your question. So basically these are ETL, these are the tools with which we can achieve the ETL process, extraction, transformation, load. So Azure Data Factory comes in Azure portal. Where is, sorry, Azure Data Factory, it is the product of Azure. Okay. Alteryx is the standalone application for that. You need to install in Excel like Power BI, and then you need to work on that. So you can achieve the ETL process using Power Automate. You can achieve ETL process using data flows. Similarly, you can achieve using Power Query Editor. So basically these 5 tools are not end of the world. You can achieve the ETL process through anything, right? You can do this thing through Python also. So you will load the data, then you will perform various transformations using NumPy Pandas library, right? So then you will store the data into your databases. So then this is also data ETL process, right? So basically these are the few examples that I have given you. You might have listened about this as your data factory, right? Even you have not worked on, you must have listened it in YouTube ads.
Okay.
Right? Or this is the new thing for you, completely new. You have not listened this?
No. This, like this is the first time I heard this Data Factory.
Okay. No worries. So basically, this is the solution which will come in the Azure, where with which we can achieve ETL process. Okay. So Alteryx is another solution. Power Automate is another solution. So similarly, for visualization, we have 2 tools. One is Power BI, and other is Tableau. Okay. So basically, whenever you need to create a front end of reports, so then we can go for these 2 tools. So this Power BI is widely used because it is Microsoft backed, and the services that it is offering, it is top notch, and the licensing is also much cheaper. Okay. So I'll not go into licensing part. We will be covering that also once you have all the things ready. So I will be letting you know like what are the licenses cost, how you can convince your team leads to use this, right? You might be working on a project where you need to create the CVA documents. CVA is nothing but cost benefit analysis, right? So then you need to tell the business like how much cost you are saving by putting this much cost, right? So if there is some cost saving only, then we will work on the project, right? If there is no cost saving, so then we will not work, right? Cost saving can be in terms of many things, like it can be man hours reduction, right? So suppose we are working on something for 10 hours. So then once we have created the Power BI reports, it will take only 2 minute time to get the insights, right? Because it is visually available. So then there will be reduction in the time, right? So suppose as of now, those insights, few people are working on that. Like suppose 4 people are working and they are getting with a certain number, like this is the sales for us, right? So then we have cost related to for those 4 people, right? So that will be replaced with the cost of Power BI. That is very nominal, like $20 per user per month. And if you go
Okay.
for capacity, it is $5,000. So that is like peanuts, right? For the big organization, even for small organizations also, right? $5,000
Yeah.
per year, right?